What is up, guys? Tavon here, and today we are going to be doing a Try Not to Laugh with Bet That Ponysaurus. We're collabing, which is short for Collaboradoodle. Ha! So, I'm going to unpause it. Try not to laugh or grin, you'll lose. Oh, she's gonna die. Let's see who laughed 3 times. That's the goal. And whoever loses. I had that toy. He still has it. Just broke it though. Yeah, I use it as model. Ooh. I think I've seen one of this in another video before. This is funny. Yeah, I know, right? You can't tell the viewers. That's 2. That's 2 to 0. that still counts as 2 because it's the same thing. You're grinning. That's 1. So we both. I got 2. He got 1. End. I love this. Okay. So that's 2 to 2. How's this funny? Oh my god. It's so really funny. It's just irritating. What the heck? Fat kid. Yeah! What the heck? It was a tie, you guys. Okay, let's just keep watching. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's dangerous. That's gonna give me nightmares. Now this stuff is just horrible. Oh, get the chopper. What the? Oh my gosh. This is dangerous. What are they doing? Tavon, what are they doing? I don't know. Ew. Guys. How can you not laugh at this? It's not funny though. I don't know. No, look at his boobs. He doesn't have boobs. He's a man. Abs. Look at his abs, guys. Oops. Sorry. It's so funny when he runs backwards. What the heck is happening? Oh yeah. Oh, this is good. Except with different music. I don't know how this is funny though. It was funny the first time. Like and subscribe will say cute, this cute cat. Oh, it says that, but I don't think you guys can see it. Yeah, it says it right there. Oh, you see the gun? It's a kid. Okay. After this, maybe, and then make this part 2. Guys, so we're probably gonna make a part 2. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Peace out.